The Zojirushi EC-BD15 may not be the best coffee maker in the world, but it may quite possibly be the best coffee maker in the world for me. We've had it about 6 years, and when we bought it, it was about $86. Today, it's about $85 from Amazon, and it's really worth every penny, I think. The design is very simple. It has a reservoir that holds about 10 cups of water that's drawn through a little pump and heated and then sent over the grounds in the basket. It does close up at the top. That's really how you should operate it. And then you can see here the brewed coffee flows down into a thermal carafe. I like the carafe. It just tends to keep the coffee hotter for me. There's one sort of design challenge around the top. If you tighten it really tight, it can be a little difficult to get a grip on and loosen. But it pours very well and straight. And it keeps the coffee hot just about all day. I really like the simple design. The controls are straightforward. You can set the time, you can set it and program it to go off the next morning. There's an on and an off button, and that's pretty much it. Not a lot to break, and it brews really good coffee. Here's to 6 more years.